Hello, my name is Marie-Amélie. I'm going to share with you my experience with Reiki family. Before to meet them, I was alone. Very bad situation. I was full drug, alcohol, medicine, and doctor can't do something for me because that was too much. And I don't feel to live, I don't feel to do anything in life. My body was full skinny, full tired, full sick, so I was doing nothing. And slowly, I decided to change. And I meet Swamiji, I meet all this family, Reiki family. And they opened me a new way, a way of love, a way of compassion. They show me how to smile, how to laugh, how to dance. And slowly I get this energy to do something, to work on the garden, to meet more people, stop all drugs, all medicine, alcohol, and I become a new person, like a new birth. And now I have many goals, I want to do many things in life. I'm full energy and very happy to just live this life. And I'm full thankful for these moments I share with them, eat together, these little things, but I didn't know it's possible to do before. Now I get new contact with my own family also. So everything I learn and I profit and I enjoy now. So thank you.